actually made of lava. No, we have to start the dance challenge immediately before the heat gets too intense. Whoa, you're right.
So hello guys. So hello guys. Build the domino chain with I make a Y and my other people make this line. That line over there. Okay, over there. And that's my gift that my artist. Yep. So I'm gonna fold it guys. So wait. How's this? Wow! Kita ka! Kita yung paa mo!
Sorry. At si MC, ay si Jackie pala. Wala na rin si Ate Chenka. Oo, wala lang si Chenka. Si Joe. Wala na pa si Joe.
Wait! I forgot!
Sa lahat mo lang hindi nakaapak siya.
So look.
Okay, players, pues, sumuna sa likod. Okay, players, ilaw na mag-direct ang mga kahon. Ilaw, mini.
So this is a good video.
Ayan, wala na namang ilaw dyan, Maya.
Hey, yo, chill! This is cool!
Tamang sagot ang ibigay upang hindi ka
I'm gonna smash my head. If you want to build a domino chain, make sure to like and subscribe.
Ayan, si Ana. Si
Ate?
anong name mo? Ana.
So why?
Ana.